Hi guys, it's Wednesday today. Don't know the date. It's coming in cold now, mornings, to the point where I had to put a jumper on this morning. I never have to do that. So I need to, the other shed, need to put, get the heating on, but there's no power in there. So what we need to do is run, or connect this cable up that's in here, up around, and into the fuse box, or trip box, sorry. Then I'm going to order another trip switch tomorrow so I can have it separately. I'm going to have a fused end that end as well, so we can have it all on separate and stuff like that. I've put the heating on in here because, as you can see, it's soaking wet. I've also got 20 meters of lay flat hose down there, which I just quickly chucked in here because it started raining yesterday when I checked all the water pumps and stuff like that. So I'll wrap that up at some point as well. But apart from that, guys, it's a mess as usual. Yeah. So I'll get you on the tripod, and I guess we can crack on. I've got plenty of cable, loads of cable there. Although I might see if I've got that plugged in. So if I've got that plugged in, or wired in, shall I say, then I'll use that wire if I haven't. Right, that's it there, apparently. So, hold on a sec. No, that's not it. Where's it gone? Right, it's gone back down here. Right, that's it there. So, no, it's not wired in. So, thank you. So I'll wire that one in for the heater. The heater can run off its own thing then, and it can stand with that. It's probably just the easiest thing. So let me set you up on the tripod and we'll get going. Alright guys, it's going to be dark in here because obviously, for obvious reasons, I have to turn the electric off. So let me find a screwdriver somewhere. I'll have to use my drill so I can take the cover off. That's the cover off. Yeah, for this trip here I will use for the heater. So let me turn this off. Whoa. Don't want to be messing around with what was it that? Turn that off. And as you can see, it's pitch black, obviously. Alright, so I need to run this cable in from somewhere. Through the bottom I can probably do, yep. So I'll run this cable in first, so it's already through and less hassle for me then. Snips. This is where I could do with a light. Like a separate light, which I've put in my car, of course. Oh, there's a humongous spider in there. Hope he gets fried. And so that will sit in there kind of nicely, like that. That's not bad, not bad. If I cut them off there, like that should be plenty. And now I'm just gonna peel off the outer layer. Oh, another thing I need to sort out as well is my window, because there's a really great hole in there, of course. that one. Sorry guys, you can't see, I know, it's my bad. Like that. I've got my other tool in here for peeling off. The out there, I might have. Let me have a look. No, don't think I do. Don't think I do, that's fine. Snips will do. Snips will do. So there's 1, 2, you can't see a thing, I know, I'm sorry. I could really do with something other than my drill to undo these sort of stuff, you know, doesn't always work like that. Put that up and then to the neutral side of things. And I'll be pretty screwed if I was colourblind, won't I? And then I'll have the live one going into that trip. Just down there like that. I keep hearing people call my name. It turns out not to be true. Like that. And then I've just got the earth to put in place. Yeah, that one's not in use. So then I'll squeeze that up in there. Like that. I'll turn the heater off and then we'll turn this back on. Right, we have lights. So now if I move it on this way, and I'll plug this heater in down here. Like so. Now see if I can hear it when I turn this on. So. It's on. So now that one's sorted. That's sweet. So now let's bring. This is the window situation I'm on about where I've got you. Yeah. I need new. Desperately. So let me move you down here. We will just quickly grab this cable and stuff and join it up somehow. What is going on, man? Cobwebs everywhere in here. Should be down here somewhere. Like, right there. So, let me move that one out of the way. Of course, it's going to get in front of spiders now because it's getting colder. They're all going to want room, or you know, they will want somewhere where it's dry and warm, or warmer than outside anyway. This is pretty sweet that I've got all this actually. Now I'll move this a little bit further up. Of course you can't see though. There we go. Like that, and then I need to get a block and some clips. Let me move you back here. Then I'm going to zoom you in a little bit. Hopefully that'll work. Hopefully. Need to look for some more those blocks to connect the mains up. And of course, I'm not going to have any, am I? Because why would I? There's one. That still doesn't help. Yeah, that still doesn't help the other end. And I've got nothing to undo this with. Of course I haven't. Let me zoom back out for a minute. Damn. I really need to bring some more stuff up. Give me a sec, guys. Back with my handy dandy little toolkit thing for my computer. As long as it works, that's all that matters. My cable clips are somewhere as well. I try and organise everything nicely, and I still end up losing stuff, as you do. Let me zoom you in. I'm gonna have some cable ties as well, because this cable here needs tying up. As far as I know, my CCTV is still working great, running off the battery and then getting the battery charged. It's still running pretty good. So yeah, this heater is a tube heater, so it can go in bathrooms and stuff like that. This way. Why have I got it? I've put it in the shed to stop the damp, because being a metal shed, it gets damp in there very, very quickly, and I've got electrical stuff in there, and it's a small heater, but it keeps the damp away. That's why. Sorry guys, I'm just grabbing some screws. I found some more blocks, which will be sweet. Oh, you've seen that. Okay. I don't know if that's just the wind or whether it's raining as well. I am looking at getting another DVR, which is like a what, 16 camera one, I think I'm looking at getting. Therefore I'll have to get two batteries and plug them together, because to run all those cameras as well as the DVR is going to use more power. No, not raining. Thought it was, but it's not. That one's that. That one's that. That's that. Now, I don't think I've got enough cable for what I've cut off, which I haven't. So I've got a 40 here as well. Totally forgetting about that. So let's grab some cable. If I cut this, and then I'll plumb it straight in. Say plumb it, I mean wire it. doesn't need to be loads because it's not going into the trip box. Oh, you're not even seeing this, are you? That's my bad. Do that a bit more. So it needs to be that way round. Of course, you can see me going from fairly heavy duty cable to nothing. Now, like Diddy cable, it doesn't matter, all it's running is a heater. It's not even running any lights. So it's just a little 60-watt heater, I think it is. Right, I'll zoom you back out. I'll bring it over this way, like that. Now, oh crap! There you go. Now I think how long I want this. So these got there, get behind there. And smash it in through the top. Do you know what that there will do? That there will do. Put that there. Put that behind all that. See what else? Not really. My bad again. Behind that. And then I can smash that in through the top. That's sweet. I say that, I can't even get the damn thing open. Wow. Can't put it through the side because I've already got too many going through there. Interesting. I don't want to be taking this back off the wall. And I won't have enough. No, won't have enough for that. So, hold on a sec. Might make myself enough room to go inside. I need to turn that heater off. Getting way too warm in now. Nope, no, nothing. Well, hoping that would have fit. Apparently not. I need to try and smash that top bit off. So I'm going to put it in through the top. Just use whatever I got. Got to be very careful as well, because if I slip, I'm putting a hole in my airline, and I don't want to be doing that. Man, this sucks. This really sucks. Alright guys, it's going to be getting dark again because I'm turning electric off for this. So I'm not taking that chance. Just being a pig. Move everything up the way it does not need to be in there. I think that is it. Or one bit of it anyway. I can finally get in there with something now. Sort of say. I'll ring this all out. Wow, is this really going to be an asshole? Jesus Christ, really? Well, today's just going from bad to worse. Oh. Might have to just drill another hole in the side. Not that this bit will be big enough. Oh, okay. Sweet. I can work with that. So, of course, the other trip switch is going to be going this side. So I can wire all this in up to the trip side of things. So, and then that's it. Then I've got to do the other side. I'm going to order the trip and stuff tomorrow when I get paid. Then I should be getting it Friday morning. Normally how it works. I don't like how this is coming apart. Okay, stay there. Unpeel yourself. I'm not asking for much, Jesus. That should do. I'm not going to wire the neutral side of things in yet because I'll have to leave it switched off in here else. So I could do the earth. That's about the only safest thing I can do. So. Obviously the live I can't do because I haven't got a trip here. Neutral, go over there, and then live into that trip there. I think that's it, guys. I think. For this, anyway. One thing I can do is probably work on this window. Because, well, what's the point of having the heating on if I can't keep any heat in? So if I put it on here, on a wobbly surface, because, yeah, let's move all this up the way. bench grinder out of the way. Like that. And now I've got to look at what I can do with this window. Because as you can see, yeah, and seagulls being around here, that is never a good thing. Right, so where's... This stuff's pretty good. I need to get some more ready, but it's really good. So I could probably paint it on or something. Not that one. Use that bit there. Yeah, that bit there will work pretty good. If it will paint on. Oh wow, okay, cool. Well, apparently it doesn't want to do that, so... Oh, come on. I really just need to get a new bit. Really? It's only giving me like a temporary fix until I can get a new bit. I'm thinking about maybe glass, because glass is a bit more sturdy than this flimsy crap. If I leave the heating on there, maybe it will go off a bit quicker. Since I'm kind of painting it on a flimsy bit of plastic. It just doesn't want to stick on it. I really don't know what to do here, guys. I'm trying to think what I could use. I kind of need some duct tape. That's what I could do with. Some ducky tape, and I have no idea where mine is, of course. Don't go do that. Wow, this is utterly crap. Not the prettiest of things, but hey, what else am I meant to do? So let me try and smudge this on here. Yeah. I can't count for a minute. So I've crap all over my fingers. There's a ladder inside. Partner's too short to reach cupboards, so she kind of asked me. I've got to find something to... I need to try and wedge this up now, and at the same time go on the outside and push it in somehow. So if I wedge it down there like that, if I actually get something to wedge in there, can you see? Yeah. And that'll do that bit for me, which would be pretty sweet. What can I use? Wood, yeah, would be a good idea. Oh my god, man, it gets everywhere. What about this bit of metal here? Oh, will that do the job? Oh, I tipped. I kind of can't fit it in. That would be a good start. If I put a screw in there, actually, that would. If I put a screw in there like that, that would help a lot. Hopefully. Right, let me try and get this off my fingers first, guys, and I'll be back. Got most of it off, guys. It just peels right off, like it comes up into balls, and I'm just going to shear it off, so we're all good there. That should be good there. Maybe up here. Now that's going to be more difficult. Let me see what I've got for brackets wise. Something like that, because it's rock solid. Like, you can't bend it. And I might be able to fit 2 screws in with that. I might be able to. Kind of sweet. If I can. Let me get some screws a sec. Oh, nothing too small and flimsy. I want something that's a decent size. These may work. Let's give it a go. Sorry guys, it just stopped again. So let's crack all this. Not that you can see. Well, you can't see. Oh, I'm terrible at this. I'm so sorry guys. There we go. Let's give it a try. Sorted. Now I'll go on the outside and push that in. What is he even doing? No. I'm just going to whack some stuff on the outside as well. Oops. Well, not this stuff I'm not. For God's sakes, I have to sort that out. pretty much out of this stuff. Sweet, that will do the job. Just budget with whatever the hell you've got. Not that you can see properly. There we go. If I ain't got a lot of stuff to budget with, just budget with whatever you've got. That's the best plan. As long as it works and I'm able to turn the heat on and it keeps some of the heat in, that's all I really bloody care about. Move on, mate. Put the heat back on. And I'll pause you while I empty the other shell out. So, actually, let's just take you there. Probably easiest. Whoa. Almost fell with style then. See, I have stuff in the way, and that's where it's going. Up there, from down there. Yes. You are right. It is a mess. But I need to take my pumps out at some point and run them up because they have not been run up in a long, long time. So I'll have to do that. Let me just grab some gear. 2 secs. Eyes back, guys, eyes back. Let's squeeze in here for the memento. So, then level that. Oh, Jesus, you really can't see a thing. It's because it's just too. Because it's just too in your face here. So I'm gonna give you a decent amount there. So, I'll fold that over like that. This is going to be getting changed out. It's going to be something else going to be put there. So. Do that. Yeah, that would do a super job. That would do a super job. Let me shut you up. Then you can come in with me a little bit further. Turn this light on. Oh, yeah, apparently I forgot to wire that light in. Apparently. Sort of. So down here somewhere is the other end. Somewhere. I can't see that. Here's the pipe, and here's, yeah, here it is. Oh, you can barely see. There we go, that's a bit better. These wires are probably never ever going to get used again, but I'll keep them in the safe place. There we go. I'll do that, tap it more. Yeah? Can you just hold on 2 seconds a minute? Huh? Can you just hold on 2 seconds? You? You never know. So, yes. Right. Where's the thing?
An axle bar.
Oh. Yes, fine.
And his axle if you can boil it.
Yeah. Is that it?
Yeah,
Cool story. Wow, I'm nearly done now, so we
I
can.
can't remember what I was going to I'll know that.
Yeah, you're always doing a minute. Said, yeah, you're always doing a minute. Right. Let's knock this one off. Oh crap, don't want to do that. All that. And of course you can't see. Come on. Don't be nasty to me. Oh, I'm going to scream. There we go. That's better. Ow. 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 For fuck's sakes. There she be. Obviously this is just going to be rough for the minute, guys. This will get put in properly, like, later on. I'm just interested in getting heat in here. So, yeah. I remember it's only earth plugged in the other end, so we're in no danger. Like that. Oh yeah. Oh, that's gonna be it, guys. It was only gonna be a quick video. That's what it looks like from the outside. Yeah, it was only gonna be a quick video, guys, because I haven't really got much going on. I've got my car to fix, but I don't really want to be doing it out in this crappy weather. So. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks for watching. The next time you see me, I'm more likely to have a haircut, so we'll see. Thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.